Welcome back to our beautiful succulent house, and today I have a beautiful special plant over here, and it's called the Lophia petersi, also known as the Bushveld orchid or a Bosveld orchidee in Afrikaans. It's classified as a succulent orchid due to the pycedal bulbs it produces here at the bottom, which is the storage organ, and it's also a terrestrial orchid, meaning it's growing in the ground and storing the water in those pycedal bulbs, and normally produces between 2 to 5 leaves per bulb, and the leaves are quite stiff and serrated on the edges, similar to that of an aloe, and also very fibrous. But not only that, the flowers it produces are just magnificent, producing an inflorescence that can go up to 2 meters long, and often it branches like this one over here, and then this lovely brown-green flowers are born on the inflorescence with a little white lip, and they are just beautiful in cultivation. They do well in pots, provided they are in a good drainage substrate and don't get water during the winter. They are a summer water or summer rainfall plant, so giving them water in summer will be perfect for them. Come and visit our succulent house and see this beautiful orchid in flower, and I hope to see you here soon.